Hello, today we're making fried dumplings. I'll be making the dough, the filling, and sauce all from scratch. We'll start making the dough with flour and warm water. Knead for about 5 minutes until it's soft and smooth, and then we'll cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, we'll work on our filling with ground pork, ginger, garlic, scallions, soy sauce, salt, a little bit of sugar to balance, and white pepper, rice wine, a little bit of cornstarch for binder, and almost forgot the sesame oil. Once the dough is rested and should be nice and soft, we'll divide it in half and roll it into a log and cut into pieces. On an oiled surface, roll those pieces into circles. Add a little bit of filling in the center. We'll pleat one side of the circle and press to close to form the dumpling. You can make the dumplings any way you like. I like this method because it's easy and they get served bottoms up anyway. Cook in a large frying pan, add a little bit of oil, bring it up to temperature, add your dumplings and let them cook for a couple minutes until the bottoms are golden. Add about a half cup of water, cover with a lid and let cook for 6 to 7 minutes. To make the dipping sauce, we'll mix together soy sauce, chili oil, sesame oil, rice vinegar, a little bit of sugar, garlic, and scallions. Easy peasy. Enjoy. For this full recipe and more, visit crumbs.com.